Part 2 of shifting. Back in 2024, I was still naively convinced that competitions were going to change my life, so I took a few months off from working and spent 6 weeks in Europe. While competitions did not change my life, what did change my life was spending 4 weeks in Berlin taking 4-hour lessons 3 to 4 times a week with my friend. It was genuinely the most brutally honest, painfully slow, ego-destroying practice sessions I've ever had in my life. And so today's lesson is this. Shifting is as much, if not more, of an ear training exercise as it is a left-hand exercise. From point A to point B, even if it's just a semitone, you should be able to hear all of the little micro pitches along the way. So much so that even during a chaotic shift, your ears can advise your body when to stop. So let me take you through the exercise. We begin on our starting note. You begin shifting at the slowest speed a human body can move, dividing even the smallest of intervals into tiny, microscopic steps. When you're about a semitone before you reach the arrival note, you use your fingertips to glide into the arrival pitch. Let me demonstrate. For the sake of this exercise, I'm going to be demonstrating the infamous C-sharp to C-sharp shift in Tchaikovsky's Rococo Variation. So, the famous passage goes... And really taking into consideration everything that we just talked about... Once I'm about at that C natural... I'm literally gliding my finger into the C sharp. And students, the key word here is gliding. You do not press into the note, you do not jump into the note. Just glide like you are covered in butter. This teaches you 3 things. Number 1, pitch mapping. Your ears become more familiar with every single micro pitch that lives between note A and note B. Number 2, control. Your finger stops grabbing the strings or jumping to the note. And 3, consistency. Every shift becomes predictable to both your ears and your body. And just remember this, practice isn't meant to be fun or easy. It's supposed to be so difficult that when you walk on stage, everything feels a shit ton easier than what you've suffered through in your practice room. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it to be helpful, please click the subscribe button and share it with a friend. Happy practicing, and see you next time. Bye.